portion of Deepak Nitrite's chemical manufacturing facility in Nandesari industrial area on the outskirts of Vadodara city in Gujarat was engulfed in a major fire on Thursday evening. Seven workers have been hospitalized after inhaling smoke, while some 700 people living in the vicinity of the factory have been shifted to safer places. As you can see, there was a very powerful explosion as well, along with the fire. The district collector said the cause of the fire was not yet known. They are still investigating. Of late, experts have been raising concerns about the safety of industrial units in various parts of the country. A few weeks back, a fire broke out in a factory in Delhi's Mustafabad, where one person was charred to death while six got injured. Safety is very important and needs to be checked ASAP. Also, in another incident, over 20 shops were gutted in a massive fire that broke out in central Delhi's Jandewalan Cycle Market on May 20.